So I had this bunny Jello mold when I was a kid, and we actually found it, and we wanted to do a Jello mold with our kids. And we tried different shapes that we had, and I couldn't get the Jello to come out right. And so we decided to give it a shot in the bunny. And I remember my mom doing something like turning it upside down and dunking it in hot water, and then it would come out of the mold. So I wanted to try that. And the kids were so excited. Of course, it takes 4 hours for Jello to cure. And so this was a long suspenseful thing for them. And so I went ahead and put the hot water on it. And I don't know if you're supposed to put cooking oil in before you add the Jello or something. So if you have a better technique, put it in the comments. But you can hear how excited the kids get when the Jello comes out as a perfect mold of the bunny. But then watch what happens.
There you go. It just went down the drain.
What happened?
So needless to say, we had to make another bunny. So hopefully at least you got a good laugh out of the video. I thought it was funny that a bunny actually jumped away. So thanks for watching.
Went down the drain.